Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be painting this Mother's Day card. So let's get started. To start with, we need anything in round in shape, like you can have any I'm using a tape. You can use anything round will work. Okay, so I'm using a pencil and I'm just sketching it out, like where I want to write Happy Mother's Day. Okay, just a little rough markings, like rough calligraphy I'm doing over here. After that, I'm taking my green color. It's a little bluish green. I really love this green. You can use any green, a little cooler green. If you don't have a cooler green, you can just mix blue to your regular green. Okay, I'm just pressing the shape of the brush. Like, I'm not making any fancy leaves. I'm just pressing the shape of the brush to make the leaves, random leaves. I will make sure that I'm working it on the other side, so I'm making sure that I'm making the leaves on both the directions. Okay, so just paint it like that, completing the whole circle. Feeling like I need more leaves, so I'm painting more leaves. Leafy day. Now I'm taking the second green. It's a little warm green. It's phthalo green or phthalo green or whatever way you say it. So I'm just making a thinner leaves this time. Okay, less pressure, more of the movement of the brush. Okay, so I'm just like flicking it rather than pressing it hard. I'm just flicking it. I'm just using it to fill up the spaces where I feel like, okay, I should have it here and there. I'm just filling the spaces. It's a really random thing. You can add these leaves like on any direction, any place. It's not something hard and fast rule anywhere. Now I just realized that I need a brown color, so I just switch it up. That's how I work with my palette. I'm not a very neat person. Okay, so we are taking now the brown. It's the darkest brown I have in my palette, and I'm just creating a wreath, like a really light lines, just to refer that okay, all the leaves are not in randomly anywhere, they are somewhere, they're just connected to this. So just adding it randomly, just wherever the shape of the leaf goes, I'm just adding it to that side. I'm not doing anything fancy, just some simple random, like you feel like okay, I should add it over here, I'm adding it over here. Feel like okay, I should add there, I'm just adding it there. Now I'm taking a little yellow. It's a little bright yellow, and I'm adding, like it's supposed to be a lavender, but we are not making lavender, we are just adding some yellows to it because we are working on a warmer palette here. So I'm just adding some dots, random dots here and there, just to fill up the spaces. Okay, so that I don't feel like okay, there is only just random branches. Okay, I'm taking red and I'm making some berries. Okay, it's not a typical one, it's just random. You will feel like okay, I should add one over here, I should add one over there, so I'm just adding it over there randomly, just wherever you feel like okay, there should be something more, there should be something here, so I'm just doing that, just filling up the spaces. Just completing my wreath by this, and I'm just taking a little, I just mixed a little black with my brown to get a little more darker brown to it. You can even use black if you feel like. There is no such rule as we cannot use black or something. We use whatever colors we like. Apni chalti hai. Okay, so we are just adding a little more contrast by when we add a little dark color in contrast to everything really light. It just adds a little contrast and a little more fun to it. So just filling out the random spaces and just adding a little strokes to give the, just to define the leaves over there. Simple lines are just like, I like those. Okay, and I'm using a calligraphy pen to just darken up. Okay, and you should wait before everything dries up, then you will do this. Okay, so I'm just writing over all that already I have written. Okay, you can write it, like you can trace it also from anywhere, or you can use it, or you can use this for calligraphy. Everything works perfectly. If we don't have to, it's just a handmade card. It should be like, it's filled with love. Nobody will find all these faults or anything. So just fill it with your love. And I'm just doing for calligraphy because I'm also not a calligrapher. Just as you know that the downstroke needs to be a little darker than the other one. So just following the basic calligraphy rule. And here it is. Our Mother's Day card is ready. Ta-da-da-da!